Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Let's explore the different regional styles of banh mi and why this sandwich has become a worldwide favorite. Banh mi shumai, meatball banh mi. Banh mi shumai presents a unique and comforting spin on the classic, featuring savory meatballs simmered in a rich tomato sauce. These aren't just ordinary meatballs, they are typically made from seasoned pork, soft and tender, absorbing all the wonderful flavors of their accompanying sauce. The meatballs bring a hearty element to the sandwich. Often, banh mi shumai is served a little differently, with the saucy meatballs tucked into the baguette. Sometimes, a small spoon accompanies it, inviting you to scoop up every last bit of that flavorful sauce. This version offers a warm, satisfying, and incredibly flavorful experience, distinct from the drier banh mi options. Vegetarian banh mi options. The world of banh mi has also embraced plant-based preferences, with a growing array of delicious vegetarian options. These variations prove that you do not need meat to enjoy the complex flavors and textures of a banh mi. They are often crafted with creativity and robust seasonings. Common vegetarian fillings include marinated tofu, pressed and seasoned with savory sauces, then often pan-fried until golden. Tempeh, known for its nutty flavor and firm texture, it can be sliced and marinated to mimic meaty textures. Various stir-fried vegetables, mushrooms, bell peppers, and onions are cooked with soy sauce or other umami-rich flavors. These vegetarian banh mi are not just afterthoughts, they are carefully prepared to deliver the same satisfying balance of savory, sweet, tangy, and fresh elements. They provide a flavorful choice for anyone looking for a meat-free meal. Finding your perfect banh mi, tips for enjoying this Vietnamese delight. Finding a truly great banh mi is an experience in itself. It is not just about eating a sandwich, it is about discovering a blend of flavors that perfectly captures the essence of Vietnamese street food. You want that ideal mix of crispy bread, fresh ingredients, and balanced tastes. Here is what to look for and how you can make your banh mi experience truly your own. What to look for: signs of an authentic banh mi. When you approach a banh mi stall or restaurant, a few key things can tell you if you are in for a treat. The visual cues often speak volumes, even before you take your first bite. Look for places that seem busy. A steady stream of locals is always a good sign. Consider these factors when judging a banh mi spot. The baguette, this is the foundation. A great banh mi will have a baguette with a paper-thin, incredibly crispy crust. It should easily shatter when you press it. The inside must be light and airy, not dense or chewy. A good stall often bakes their baguettes fresh throughout the day or receives frequent deliveries. Freshness of ingredients, peek at the ingredients if you can. Are the herbs, cilantro, mint, vibrant and green? Are the pickled carrots and daikon crisp and colorful? Fresh ingredients are key to the banh mi's lively taste. Stalls that prepare ingredients in small batches throughout the day usually offer the freshest options. Balance of flavors. While you cannot taste it until you order, many good banh mi places hint at a well-balanced flavor profile. Look for a generous but not overwhelming amount of each ingredient. No single item should dominate. You want a harmonious blend of savory meats, tangy pickles, fresh herbs, and creamy spreads. Customizing your order, personalizing your banh mi. One of the joys of banh mi is how adaptable it is. You can often tailor it to your exact preferences. Do not be shy about asking for what you want, most vendors are happy to adjust. Here are some common ways to personalize your banh mi. Meat selection. You can often choose specific meats. If you prefer grilled pork over cold cuts, simply ask, do you want thit-nuong, grilled pork, or char lua, Vietnamese ham? Feel free to specify. Spice level. Do you love heat? Ask for them OT, extra chili. If you prefer less spice, state it OT, less chili, or kung OT, no chili. Many places use fresh bird's eye chilies, which pack a punch. Aversions and preferences. Do certain ingredients not agree with you? It is completely fine to ask for kung no cilantro, or kung du chua, no pickled vegetables. Similarly, if you want them dua chwap, extra cucumber, just say so. Pate or mayo. Some people love the rich pate, others prefer more mayonnaise. You can often ask for them pate, extra pate, or at SOT mayonnaise, less mayonnaise to adjust the creaminess. Remember, a little communication goes a long way in getting your perfect sandwich. Pairing your banh mi, drinks and sides. The banh mi itself is a complete meal, but certain drinks and sides can enhance the experience. Think about balancing the sandwich's richness and zing with a refreshing beverage or a complimentary snack. Consider these pairings to complete your meal. Vietnamese iced coffee, cà phê sua da. This rich, sweet, and strong coffee is a classic pairing. Its bold flavor and creamy texture wonderfully complement the savory and fresh notes of the banh mi. It provides a caffeine boost perfect for a midday meal. Fresh coconut water, nuoc dua toy. For a lighter, more refreshing option, fresh coconut water is excellent. It is naturally sweet and hydrating, offering a clean contrast to the sandwich's rich fillings. Sugarcane juice, nuoc mea. This sweet, fresh juice offers a tropical sweetness that pairs well with the banh mi's savory and tangy elements. It is incredibly refreshing, especially on a warm day. Soft drinks. Sometimes, a cold soda is all you need. Classic options like Coca-Cola or a local Vietnamese soda can provide a familiar, fizzy contrast. While banh mi is often enjoyed on its own, small side dishes can sometimes be found, depending on the vendor. These might include fresh tropical fruits or occasionally a small bowl of soup. However, the focus truly remains on the sandwich itself and a refreshing drink to tie it all together. The banh mi has come a long way, transforming from a simple street food into a global sensation. Its journey shows a remarkable blend of French influence and Vietnamese culinary genius. This sandwich perfectly combines crisp bread, rich fillings, fresh herbs, and tangy pickles in every bite. It is a true testament to Vietnam's vibrant food culture and inventive spirit. Each banh mi tells a story through its textures and tastes, creating an experience that is both unique and deeply satisfying. If you have not tried one yet, seek out this incredible Vietnamese delight. Discover why the banh mi continues to capture hearts and taste buds around the world, making it a must-try for any food lover. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.